Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Well, suck my nipples like a newborn. Neighbor, what are you doing in the Bahamas? What's up? Wait a minute, my guy. I thought you were Jamaican. What is this?
I am Jamaican, but I can't travel.
Travel? Okay, let me get this straight, Tanto. You make it into America without them even spotting your boat, okay? And you leave? You didn't even have to fucking marry Roseanne to fucking get papers. You were straight, okay? I don't think you noticed, my guy, but Trump is out here building walls. And I don't think you're going to be able to gully creep yourself out of this situation. So here, listen, just go ahead and take my information. I actually work for TSA. How long is your vacation, my guy? Huh? And not to get off topic or anything, but I fucking love your hair. You're like a fucking willy bouncing candle. It's fucking awesome.
Leave me, granny, me can't dip on E. He must see one gas.
Get some tea. Why Venus not like Cersei tea? Better like ganja do.
Granny no mix me. Oh, you going like you want style, Mr. E. You don't know me head hot.
Act like tea.
The party shell last night, I know me still frost.
No, me son drink like a tea man a gas.
Yo, it coming like say me get sting by a wasp.
No, me son drink like a tea man a gas.
You must have chop grass and cut me with the last.
No, me son drink like a tea man a gas.
Yo, I see a ding dong, do that do a Vegas.
No, gas.
Granny, a girl tell me say she no drink tea, cause it burn up her mouth and make she ugly.
Well, son, the one that famous did a pre. Una bang up the toilet if she did a drink tea.
Yo, granny, the girl they a thief. Broke the piggy bank and only left brief.
You see, a long time me tell us if you run her, put tea on the piggy bank, tea would upon her.
The party shell last night, I know me still frost.
No, me son drink like a tea man a gas.
Yo, it coming like say me get sting by a...
DJ.
Yo, how this?
Moses.
The last Moses me know did a try part one Red Sea and Joan in a youth. So me could do this again. Who this?
Dr. DJ.
What go on?
Happy birthday to you, Zaga. Happy birthday, dear Rodney. Happy birthday to you. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, DJ.
Beanie, remember over 100 years now we are do the something, yeah? Remember you never liked me and me don't like you neither. But true, we are the column of dancehall. We have to make it work. So when you do them something, you get me emotional like Carl Thomas.
Yeah.
Beanie, me have a question for you to do. The grey hair them we have a way to use and cover them up. Because you know we are going some fest.
Yeah.
And a full black me decide to wear. I mean the one them on the stage and look like me have on black and grey.
Ma, open the door, I got a key!
But my youth want wallet. No let go. Hear me I tell you, wallet. No let go.
Oh ma, look at that, the neighbors got a new Range Rover.
Scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Here.
Ma, your ex is calling?
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for
Give me the phone,
granted.
give me the phone. Listen, I'm not gonna give you back your phone until you tell me what you want from this guy.
Them say for the one, so here it goes. You see me? This after the Jamaican man them, cause we have it hard in a relationship and the girl them not know, you see it? Woohoo! Can't believe said the girl want leave. Chew me give your bun without cheese. I know my fault. And the girls pick me. Oh God, you best become have 10 picnic girls. It's not a big deal. You need to realize what we have is real. You know why you're ungrateful? One left me just become unfaithful. No, that is not fair. What about the time I'm hungry and you say you never care? I've still me one, but you never cook here. So when me I go do me, I go look elsewhere, right? And last night, the panty, where you find? A me bite, a yours, surprise. Yeah, it's a gift from me to celebrate our early anniversary. Yeah, but me know say you not believe me. Me I go leave because of how you treat me. Yeah, cause me can't take it no more. Me pack my bags when me left lucky door.
put your dirty mouth on the drinking buckle. I don't know if your mouth stand with shit tank. Every morning they get up your mouth thing. Stop put your dirty mouth on the buckle. I don't know where your dirty mouth I come from.
Yeah.
Hey, what's happening, cuz? You alright? Yeah, I'm a good one. Good. Glad you know say alright, man. Hey, cuz, all the kids there? Yeah, the kids good, you know, they're at school, cuz. Yeah. And wifey alright too? Yeah, she's good, you know, wifey's good, yeah. Nice. Say good though, cuz? Yeah, I'm good, man, I'm good. Tell us I'm good, man. Good. Boy, cuz, well, nah, cuz, me. Nothing go on, man. And if I could have just let me a small thing, man, let me go and juggle. Cuz, you trying to hustle me, cuz? Come on, man, this is your style, man. You call me, ask me, everybody good, then you ask me for money. Cuz, you do me that.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.